Alright, we will start explaining the function of the motherboard and also the components on the motherboard itself. The motherboard itself is a hardware device that functions as a place to install all the hardware on the computer and also function as a central relation between one device to another. The first component that is on the motherboard is the processor socket or CPU socket, which functions as a support for the heatsink fan, bearing in mind that the processor requires heat transfer in order to work. The second component is the memory slot. This memory slot serves to install a memory card or RAM. The position of this memory slot is adjacent to the processor socket with more than one slot. The two components that is on the motherboard is a IDA slot and SATA slot. These slots have a different shape but still have the same function, which is as a link between the hard disk or CD-ROM to the motherboard. The fourth component is PCA and PCA Express X1 slot, 32 and 64-bit standard local bus channel that bind expansion buses that are used to install several types of additional peripherals such as to put components such as VGA card, sound card, and LAN card.
7. Component is the CMOS battery. A CMOS battery or complementary metal oxide semiconductor is a small battery on a component in computer motherboard that is used to power the BIOS and store all settings in the BIOS. The 18 component is the power connector on the component on computer. Motherboard has a role as a link between the power supply and the motherboard to get electrical power. Usually, the number of pins is 20 to 24 pins. The 19 component is storage drive connectors. The storage drive connector functions, they connect data, storage drives such as hard disk drives, optical drives, SSDs, and external storage device, usually in the form of an SATA, Serial Advanced Technology Attachment ATA interface. Okay friends, here's our explaining of the function of the motherboard and the components in it. We apologize if our video still has many shortcomings. We thank you so much.